let me show you how you can attempt this type of question anywhere, any place, or even in the exam hall if you come across them. Now the question is, in bracket, x plus 5 is raised to the power of x, which is equal to 49. If you come across this question anywhere, don't panic. Follow this simple method and principles. First, the question on the board is quite complicated. It's not that simple. But if you think it's really simple, solve it before resuming the video. The first thing we have to do is solution. Now what is given to us is bracket open x plus 5 raised to the power of x is equal to 49. Now you observe that the left hand side of the equation is written in exponential form. That is, this bracket is raised to a certain power. But the right hand side of the equation is not written in their index form or exponential form. So that means we have to change this person into their index form. So the two sides of the equation can look the same. That becomes, in bracket, x plus 5 is raised to the power of x is equal to, if you change 49 to its index form or in exponential form, it will give 7 raised to the power of 2. That is the very first approach. Now, we observe that in the left hand side, we have the sum of two terms raised to a certain power, x plus y, or raised to the power of x. Let's try to make the right hand side to look like this left hand side. By doing that, it will become, in bracket, x plus 5 is raised to the power of x Now we can split 7 into a number plus another number raised to the power of 2. Now if you look at this question on the board, the left hand side of the equation has x. The x is unknown, which is what we are required to determine. But over here we have 5. So I'm going to open a bracket, raise the bracket to the power of 2, put 5 at this point, plus, now 5 plus 2 is going to give 7, which is raised to the power of 2. So that becomes 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, raised to the power of 2. Now if you compare these two brackets, you will observe that the number here and the number here are the same. X and x are the same. Why this person is 5? If you also compare this bracket, you observe that this number and this number are the same numbers. Why this person is 5? Because this bracket is looking like this bracket, we can simply say that x is equal to 2, which is the final result. If you understand this question, solve this one on the board. X plus 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 25. Drop the answer on the comment section.